Okay, go.
Welcome back to another one of our Max and Friend videos. We got Maya and Kiera.
Gorgeous.
And this is our first attempt at making edible slime.
We have no idea what we're doing. Oh, I forgot to get the cornstarch.
Oh wait, I thought we were using microwave. Do we have
Yes,
cornstarch?
but this is for the Laffy
Yeah, because
Laffy
Jill
Taffy.
bought some.
Oh, we're making two of them, one with the Laffy Taffy?
Yes. So we're using Laffy Taffy. We don't know if that's going to work, but we're also going to do a marshmallow one.
And make sure to stay till the end, because if you leave that,
What can we do with the
you're
cornstarch
not as
again?
good as us.
Does anybody remember?
Like, you put the marshmallows in the microwave, and then mix them together, put some oil, and then you put some cornstarch in.
Olive oil, but you can use any oil you want.
And at any chances, you can pause the video.
Yes.
Okay, be very careful because it's really hot. That
And make
one.
sure you leave a
So-
like, subscribe,
I just turned it
and
down.
turn on the
Okay,
notifications.
Kara's in
so you-
charge of marshmallows because I know she's very
Are we
good
doing
at
them now?
all things marshmallows.
Where's the bowl?
Here
Are
it
we using
is.
this bowl?
Mom, am I gonna dump those in now?
Well, wait. Kara's going to do the marshmallows because
I like marshmallows.
she likes
And
marshmallows.
How much
don't
do we have?
ever dislike, because that's rude and you'll be a bully.
Oh, yeah.
She said the girl
No,
said
just
3 to 4 cups.
I don't think we've ever gotten a dislike
she
yet.
said use half the bag. Yes, we have a few dislikes, I think.
We do?
Those are
Yes.
bullies.
Bullies.
Well, it's just they don't like our videos, but I don't think anybody does.
Is this 2 to 4,
Okay,
3
so-
cups?
My pot experiment. Yeah, that's good.
Okay, do I pour this in, Mom?
My
It's
pot
bubbling like
experiment is not
crazy.
working.
Mom, it's bubbling
I
like
know, honey, I know. It's really too much. And I turned it right down. Why is it still bubbling like that?
Who knows?
no one knew.
Okay.
Oh, light. There can't be
Don't touch
water. There can't be water in there.
Yeah, make sure there's no water in the bowl, guys.
No, I don't think so. Okay.
And make
So
sure
Kiara,
your
now
hand
you need to put
supervision.
those, and
Was that
everybody wash your hands really well.
Yes.
Put those in the microwave for, how long did she say?
30 seconds.
13 seconds, and if we need it, like, just, like,
Add it. Another.
Oh my god. How do we add in the cornstarch?
How do you do it?
Oh, turn the button.
This
Turn
one?
that button, yeah. And it'll tell you how many seconds it's turning for.
30. All the way up to 30?
just do 40.
No, 30.
Yeah,
Yeah,
just do
start.
30. You don't want to burn it. And then start.
There we go.
I don't have this microwave, so.
Yeah, I just have the one that just.
So when do we put the sorry, that's like
I
very
think I
loud.
have to put some spray on it, I think.
On the parchment paper?
Oh, never mind. I
Wait, olive oil, right?
Olive oil, yeah, we need olive oil.
Okay,
Will
Max.
this be hot, the bowl, if I want to touch it?
Yes.
Yes, I'll take it out. Does it look like it's burning?
Nope.
This is very hard
Like
to
they say, you're
videotape.
supposed to do it for a minute, but she said I do it for 30 seconds. I think that needs a bit longer.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah,
Should I
a bit
try,
longer.
like
Like-
10 seconds?
Yeah, no, 20 seconds.
20.
And then we'll try stirring it. Max, do you want to put your things in the...
Yes, Laffy Taffy, but no one, like, does Laffy Taffy. I don't.
Yeah, we've never seen Laffy Taffy. We've seen
Yeah.
starters.
Yeah,
and
but
that's like almost the same.
But we're
Yeah.
gonna see if this will work.
Is there water in there?
No,
By the way,
in
you
the
can find
bottom.
all this candy and stuff at the dollar store or Dollarama.
Yeah,
or
don't go to those places that are expensive.
Yeah.
Oh, God. Oh, gosh.
Whoa, look at the marshmallows.
Is it working?
It's melting. It's stuck
Melting,
to
but
the
I don't
bowl.
want it to burn.
It's the Laffy Taffy is melting and it's stuck. To
Guys,
the bowl.
I think this might be a fail, but that one.
Comment below.
I
Comment
think the
below if you think it's going to be a fail.
I think the marshmallows
Oh,
are
there
gonna
we
be
go.
good.
Now
mix
mix it.
There you
I'll
go.
mix it.
Careful because it's really hot.
Might be a
Can
fail.
I mix it with this one?
Mom,
We need that for that one.
Nope, we're going to use this one for this.
Oh.
it's bubbling up.
Oh, man. This is hot, hot,
Look, it's
hot.
kind of slimy already. Now we need oil.
This is terrible. I should have just microwaved this.
Mm.
Now we need oil?
We'll show you what.
This is our process. Camera, come look at us.
Be careful. That looks
Okay,
yummy.
Okay, who wants to add it?
1 second.
I
No,
will.
no, no, wait.
So after you add the marshmallows, you're gonna add some.
And she said it's less
Oil.
sticky the more oil you add, right?
Yeah.
This much. Wait.
Sherry added it.
She said this.
Yeah, but
Oh.
she kept adding more.
Yeah, but she can't add anymore.
But I think that's enough because
What's the consistency like?
It's like slimy.
And,
I think that's enough. That's enough.
Yeah, I think it's enough oil because we don't want it to taste like oil.
and then cornstarch.
Then when do we put in the cornstarch? Does it
When
go
this is
Right
all
now.
done. Yeah, like now.
now?
So you just keep on adding cornstarch
We might need more
until you
oil.
have your finishing touch. So all we technically have to do
This is a fail.
That's my marshmallow. The Laffy Taffy. Why do I keep calling it Laffy Taffy? Laffy Taffy is definitely a fail.
But. Oh my god, that would scare me.
your cornstarch isn't.
Oh, that's scary. Oh, okay, you can open it. Joe bought it for something, but I don't know for what.
Do you have any scissors?
Turned down for
Yes.
what?
Oh yeah.
Wait, the Laffy Taffy didn't work?
No.
It didn't?
Nope.
No.
Laffy Taffy
Just put it in the
is a
microwave.
fail.
That's what we're gonna do.
If you're trying to do Laffy Taffy, check it
Oh
different.
my god, my microwave is dirty.
Well, I mean, you can't really do Laffy Taffy.
That looks good. That's turning out well, right?
Yeah.
And I've never been able to make Rice Krispie squares that have worked.
This
You know
would
what?
have
We
worked.
used all the Timbit cereal. Otherwise, we could have made Rice Krispie squares with Timbit cereal.
We got open this. Tippet cereal was so good.
Oh, I have it.
Oh, this is good. Look at this.
Oh, nice. Look, that's so cool. Come on, add some in.
Looks weird.
Watch. You're gonna pour way too much in. Oh gosh.
That's like how much he added.
Yeah, that's actually how much.
Is it?
And at
Okay.
the end, it was like kind of hard, but you could.
Is it hot?
Yeah, it's really hot.
Guys, I think that's enough.
This is gonna be the best video ever with the worst, doing the worst job trying to stir. Yeah, you stir, Max.
Ah, that is hot. Wow. Oh.
Is it getting hard,
Why did
Kiara?
it still
Yeah.
say 3?
That's-
It's getting harder the mix, which is good. That's how normal slime goes.
You should roll up your sleeves, Max.
Okay.
And Maya.
We might need some more oil.
Do you
to
think
make it
that'll
less
help?
sticky. Yeah, it's too sticky.
Okay, I need. Max, I think you should add the.
After we should all try eating it.
Max, I think you should add the Laffy Taffy to it. Do you want me to do it?
Sure.
Or if you really
Can you
don't
hold
feel
the
like
camera?
making slime, just eat the
Yes.
marshmallows.
What are you guys gonna add?
The Laffy Taffy.
You didn't add that yet?
It's really getting hard though, fast.
Didn't you just say you're adding Laffy Taffy?
Or this is the perfect thing if you want to prank your friends.
How?
Just like,
I don't know.
'Cause this
Pretend
is-
it's glue.
This is
yeah,
really.
pretend
I
it's
don't
just
know if
made
this
out
is
of
good.
glue.
Do you think I should
No,
add
just
this
eat it.
here? I don't know.
Don't say it's edible.
No, don't add it in this.
Yeah, do not add it in.
Put some cornstarch in that and see if it'll make its own slime.
Where's the cornstarch?
It's right.
Okay, guys, so technically all you have to do to make the slime is, well, edible slime, is marshmallows,
Oh my god.
this type of
You
oil,
need more oil.
and
But you don't-
cornstarch.
You do not have to use. You could use any type of oil. It doesn't.
Yeah, it
I
doesn't
think
have
we
to be
need-
this.
I think we need more oil. It's really sticky.
Is it?
Oh yeah, and if you don't want it sticky, you just keep on adding oil, not cornstarch. Cornstarch
Add
makes it
harder.
Yeah.
Right?
very hard.
Yeah.
Yeah. Makes it harder. But you still have to add cornstarch for it to work.
Right.
Yeah, we just use olive oil because that's basically all we have.
And that's what the
Taffy is not so laffy. It's a fail.
Yeah.
That one is.
Total
Maybe
fail.
the marshmallow one seems like it's working.
You know what we
This
could add
is
to the
going
marshmallow
pretty
ones? We could
good.
add
It's getting a bit better.
oh my god, it tastes disgusting.
This one
Wait,
is
let me try
like
this.
going for fail.
Oh,
This
fail,
one is
Wait, what
probably
did you put in it? What did you put in
gonna
it?
be good.
What did you put in it, Mom?
olive oil.
Kira, please
Put
stop
some more
for a minute.
oil.
I'm just
Put some
gonna.
more oil.
This is what it looks like. That's what it's supposed to look like.
I think it's good with oil.
People think
think you
it's
need
a
more
fail
oil.
because it's
It's-
I just
sticky,
want it to
but
taste
like
oil.
She added a
you
lot
just
of
add
oil.
oil.
I don't want it to
That's
taste.
It doesn't taste like oil.
Does it taste like oil?
No.
Because that tastes like oil.
If you really don't just feel like making this,
Tastes like marshmallows.
just eat marshmallows. That's all you have to do.
But it's not slime if you do that. You could add nerds in this.
You could. You want to add nerds?
Do you guys want
We
it?
should.
Yeah.
We're gonna add nerds.
Or let's put it on the thing. Drop
Yeah.
it onto the thing.
Wait, did you put corn
Save it
starch?
out.
You have to put
Oh.
cornstarch on that.
Yes. Oh, Mom, over here. Oh, okay.
Just sprinkle it.
Yeah, just
Sprinkle it.
Sprinkle.
sprinkle.
Sprinkle it all over.
Put corn starch.
Like that?
Okay, yeah. Ooh,
Okay, that.
this is gonna be so satisfying when we
No,
add
it's stuck
that.
to my finger.
It might be sticky at first, guys.
Yes. Oh,
That's
that's
stuck in
hot.
it.
It looks like
It's not hot.
candy, doesn't it?
Oh, it feels so weird.
It's very cool.
It's like
You get it? It's really hard. eh?
it feels
Yeah,
the
but,
weirdest
like,
thing
it's
ever.
sticky.
It feels like
See
actually
if it'll.
Let's put it in the middle.
Let's add some cornstarch to it. I think it needs more cornstarch to make it.
Marshmallows.
No more oil. No more oil.
No. So the oil makes it.
Let's go check on the other one to
Yeah,
see if it's
because-
harder than then I don't know. How
Well, this is a fail.
this is a fail, but it actually might still be yummy.
No, because
Let's try it.
Okay.
no, because there's olive oil and
Hey,
cornstarch.
where
Ew.
do you
Okay,
think
yeah.
cornstarch will do?
Might want to spit that out.
It's actually pretty good.
Okay, I'm gonna try it.
The first taste smell
cornstarch on it.
is bad, but when you
It's
chew it,
great,
it's actually
and
really good.
Let me tell you.
Is it getting better?
Just keep on chewing it. It gets better. Just
Is it getting less sticky?
keep on chewing
Yeah, it's
it.
not sticky at all.
Oh
How's it
yeah, that's
feel?
better now.
So
Guys,
drop it.
feel it.
Bring your camera
Actually,
over here,
the
Maya.
Laffy Taffy is actually pretty good.
Okay, so
It's not really slime.
You guys
camera
still
on
have
it?
to add nerds.
is the camera on it?
Yeah.
Mom, at the start when you eat the Laffy Taffy, it's really
Here
bad.
his hand's in the way.
Well, then move
Oh.
angles.
Here, I'll move angles. We'll go in the middle.
There's some more.
This is so cool.
This is actually my first time making edible slime.
Me too. And it worked.
And it works.
And it worked.
Is it good?
I don't know how
Oh,
it's gonna taste,
Let's
but
split it in half, everybody.
yeah.
Let's taste it. Is it good? I just tasted a little bit, guys.
How's it taste?
In the bowl, though.
It's good.
Okay, we're gonna split it into
It just
three
tasted good.
or four. We're gonna split it into four.
Uh-huh. It
This is
reminds me
gonna
of
be hard.
pizza dough,
Mm-hmm.
doesn't it? Think Joe would like some?
Let's see.
We can make more too.
Edible slime.
Yeah, we can make
You
some
guys
more.
want
We can
make
make
more?
lots because we have lots of
Do you
stuff.
guys want to make more?
It's so good.
Is it tasty?
Want to try a little bit?
No.
Really? It's so good.
I have this thing. Once I make something, I can't eat it. It's very weird. It's really good for your waistline, though. I don't know why. So if I make something, then I don't want to eat it. It's really weird. This is a huge, massive fail. So we're going to try this again. I say we go to the bulk barn and get a good candy.
Yeah.
You know?
Wait.
Okay, so
This is what it is.
it looks delicious.
Good. Don't worry, it does not taste like oil.
And
or
it's cheap to make because all we needed was marshmallows. So next time we could get colored marshmallows.
Yes.
Want to make more?